Today we will have a PPT round, actually PPT session. Because,
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, as you know na, that they also have to give the PPTs at the end of the internship, like experience PPT sharing. So today we'll teach them how to give a PPT, and their PPTs only will, from their PPTs only we will help them. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So guys, who is starting first with the PPT? Anyone?
Ma'am, 3 points that were left yesterday, you'll be explaining them, right?
Yeah, 3 points. Okay. Ma'am, can you share the screen so that I can know what were the 3 points? I just forgot. That's one thing.
Ma'am, 4 points are left.
4 नहीं बेटा, 3 रह गए थे. 4th पॉइंट, पहला वाला पॉइंट पंकज सर ने एक्सप्लेन कर दिया, तो मैं फिर भी एक्सप्लेन कर दूंगी, पर रह 3 ही गए थे लास्ट में. जरा सिद्धि मैम जरा स्क्रीन शेयर करना जरा, मुझे
मैम
नहीं
स्क्रीन
आ पा
शेयर है.
नहीं. अच्छा, मैंने वो पिन ऑफ नहीं करा. ठीक है. ओके. सो गाइस, ओके, लेट्स लास्ट 3 पॉइंट, दैट इज ए वेट. मम्मी यार, मम्मी.
Ma'am, mute yourself.
Okay, so the 11th point is be a lion in the face of danger. So this point was well explained by Wahid or Wasid. I don't know the name actually. Sorry, sir. If I'm explaining.
Wahid.
Wahid, yeah. Wahid sir explained this point very well, that be a lion in the face of danger. That means whatever situations you are facing through, negative or positive, you should always play a role as a lion or an eagle. Eagle in the sense of whenever you want to achieve a target, always act like an eagle. But whenever you want to face a situation, always be a lion, because the roar of a lion always not only make the other person or other animals feel scared, but it also leave a personality that yes, this is something strong, energetic, the one who can harm us, the one who can achieve their target, the one who can, like, lions never वो अपने कभी प्रे से, प्रे इन द सेंस PREY, मतलब कि द वन whom we kill, ठीक है, इन एनिमल्स, तो वो अपने कभी शिकार से अलग नहीं होता. He always kill it and then eat, ठीक है, because उसका टारगेट एक रहता है, that means to kill the deer. So whatever situations you are facing through, high, low, happy, sad, be a lion, ठीक है. In that phase, always think or act like a lion. Then only you will face the situation strongly and boldly, ठीक है. Boldness should always be there among girls and boys, ठीक है. Not those boldness, not in the negative points, but always in the positive points. Decent boldness, I want to say here. So always be bold in your actions and reactions, ठीक है. अगर if you are doing a mistake, don't let anyone know that you're making the mistake. Be bold, and the best solution of that, accept the mistake, accept it boldly. Okay, I did mistake, I'm sorry for that, I'm sorry. That will call it a bold and a forgiving situation, where you are not, where your ego is not ruining you. Okay, so this is the point. 11th point is be a lion in the face of danger. Okay, 12th point is stay calm with the power of breath. When I always say that, always take a breath, that means same. Whenever you are facing any situation where you feel like you cannot speak, or your communication is getting down, or your confidence is getting down, always take 3 breaths and then speak. Stay always calm. Don't feel like मुझसे नहीं हो पाएगा, oh shit, oh shit. उससे ये करने से भी कुछ नहीं होगा. तो calmly deal करो situations को, बहुत politely deal करो, दिमाग ठंडा करके करो. Always take this portion of mind, always stay cool. Don't go in the situation and get yourself more harsh and more, calm. Always be calm. Don't be just in a rush. नहीं, मुझे करना है, उसको करना है, तो मैं उसमें बस कूद जाऊं, ऐसा कभी नहीं होना चाहिए. तो always take the situation calmly, and always take first 3 breaths. Always take 3 breaths. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So whenever the mind gets a positive reaction, automatically the situation get handled by itself. Okay, तो always stay calm with power of breath, क्योंकि इस चीज की पावर जो होती है ना, बहुत स्ट्रांग होती है. जब तुम 3 बार सांस अंदर बाहर करोगे ना, तो अच्छी ऑक्सीजन अंदर जाएगी बॉडी में, और माइंड ऑटोमेटिकली पॉजिटिव रिएक्ट करेगा. अगर तुम सांसें नहीं ले रहे हो, दैट मीन्स यू आर इक्वल टू डेथ. बट सांसें ले रहे हो और पॉजिटिव वे में ले रहे हो, तो लाइफ प्लस हैप्पीनेस दोनों आपको मिलेगा, ठीक है. तो स्टे ऑलवेज काम. इसलिए मैं बोलती हूँ, शांति से सिचुएशन सोचो क्या करना है, उसके बाद रिएक्ट करो. रश मत करो कि बस करना है तो करना है, या बोलना है तो बोलना है, नहीं बोलना है तो भी नहीं बोलना है. तो सोचो, अगर हम यहाँ बोलेंगे तो हमारे क्या क्या फायदा निकलेगा, जो लोग सोचते नहीं है. बस चुपचाप यहाँ पर आते हैं, चुप रहते हैं और चले जाते हैं. तो अगर यहाँ पर आपको ये करने आना है, तो मत ही आइए, ज्यादा बढ़िया है. बिकॉज मुझे यहाँ पर ये चीजें सिखानी नहीं है, मैं यहाँ पर लेक्चर देने के लिए नहीं बैठी, नॉट आई एम अ प्रोफेसर हियर। मैं एक काउंसलर हूँ और काउंसलर होने के नाते मैं आपसे यही बोलती हूँ, तो बोलना जितना जल्दी हो सके सीख जाइए। बच्चा भी 3 साल बोलना स्टार्ट कर देता है, क्योंकि उसके बाद नहीं बोलेगा तो उसको बोल जाता है कि उसको वो बोल ही नहीं पाएगा। देन अलग अलग उसको टेक्निक दी जाती है, अलग अलग क्लासेस दी जाती हैं, अच्छे अच्छे डॉक्टर्स के पास मतलब उन ट्रीटमेंट चलता है उस बच्चे का कि वो बोल क्यों नहीं रहा है, बोल सकता है मगर बोलता नहीं है। तो उस स्टेज से शाइनेस, अनकॉन्फिडेंस, लोअर इन कैपेबिलिटी सब स्टार्ट हो जाती है बच्चे के अंदर ग्रोन करना। आपके अंदर वो चीजें नहीं है, क्योंकि आप अगर अभी तक यहाँ पर बोल पा रहे हो, बस यहाँ पर आके नहीं बोल रहे, उसका मतलब ये है कि आप बोलना ही नहीं चाहते हो। That means you don't want to speak to, because you have, whenever you're in a friend circle, you always used to talk to your friends, communicate, go in a fun conversation. So that if you can speak there, that means you have the ability to speak. So be as much calm and as much relaxed when you're speaking to someone. Always hold a smile. Don't feel like हाँ भाई बोलना भाई, नहीं भाई, ये किसने तुम्हें सिखाया? नो, ऑलवेज लाइक यस मैम, या यस मैम। इतनी स्माइल रखो, ज्यादा रखोगे तो वो दांत पे अच्छे नहीं दिखेंगे, और अगर इनकेस कभी ब्रश नहीं करो तो फिर सिचुएशन और वर्स्ट हो जाएगी। फिर जस्ट जोक अपार्ट, ठीक है? तो ऑलवेज कीप द स्माइल दिस मच, यस मैम, या। तो इट फील्स द अदर पर्सन फील ओके, दैट पर्सन इज पॉजिटिव बाय हार्ट, तो ही विल बी मोर कनेक्टेड टू यू। वहीं अगर तुम बोल हाँ बता भाई, बता हाँ बोल ना, हाँ हमें नहीं पता, जा जा, ऐसे करोगे ना तो एक तो पर्सनैलिटी हो जाएगी डाउन, प्लस एटीट्यूड हो जाएगा डाउन। तो बी कॉन्फिडेंट एंड बी रिलैक्स एंड काम इन योर सिचुएशंस एंड बी पॉजिटिव एंड बी अ लिटिल, ये जो होता है ना स्माइल, इसको इतना सा रखो जरूर हर किसी, जब भी किसी से बात करो, सो दैट डोंट अदर पर्सन नॉट फील लाइक तुम एटीट्यूड दिखा रहे हो उसको। So this is the gesture, okay? Then 13th point is remember you are a proton. So there's a three things: proton, neutron, electron. As Nicole ma'am told me that proton means positive, electron, neutron means that is neutral, and electron means negative. So you are a proton means you are positive. That's why it is, if the word uses proton. अगर electron हो तो that means negative. तो इसलिए instead of using the words positive, negative in your dictionary, add the words proton and electrons. तो इससे आपका फेस बदल जाएगा इंग्लिश का. You can see, oh how proton you are, how positive you are. Positive हर कोई इंसान बोलता है. Use the word proton, how proton you are. Because in science, proton stands for positive, neutron stands for negative, मतलब neutral, ना zero ना 10, and electron stands for minus, जो minus होती है, positive जो होती है हमारी बॉडी में, जो एंटीबॉडीज होती है, मतलब एंटीबॉडीज नहीं, मतलब जो एंजाइम्स होते हैं, बैड एंजाइम्स, वो न्यूट्रॉन्स में आते हैं. पॉजिटिव एंजाइम्स कम से एंटीबॉडीज. इन मेडिसिन वी हैव प्रोटॉन्स अवेलेबल बिकॉज उसमें एंटीबॉडीज होती है. ठीक है? तो रिमेंबर यू आर पॉजिटिव, रिमेंबर यू आर पॉजिटिव. ये चीज रख लो दिमाग में कि हम पॉजिटिव हैं, वी आर नॉट नेगेटिव. अगर तुम नेगेटिव सोचोगे तो नेगेटिव ही हैपन होगा पूरी आसपास की सराउंडिंग्स में. लोनलीनेस फील करोगे, हार्ट ब्रेक हुआ होगा, डिप्रेशन होगा, आंखों में आंसू होंगे, बहुत कुछ कहना होगा मगर बोल नहीं पाएंगे. और जो ये ग्रुप लीव कर रहे हैं ना अभी, इनके तो नाम नोट करो. सिद्धि मैम किससे पूछ के जा रहे हैं ये मीटिंग से? मैंने तो नहीं बोला. श्रद्धा मैम,
यस मैम.
जरा नाम नोट कर लीजिए जरा मयंक जी का, मयंक तोमर जी का जरा नाम नोट कर लीजिए सर का. और जो ये ग्रुप लीव करे बिना बताए उनका नाम नोट करिए. मैं तो उनको परमिशन दी ना,
Okay,
इन्होंने
ma'am.
कुछ लिखा है ग्रुप में. अगर ये ज्वाइन कर लेता है फिर से मैम तो रहने दीजिएगा, नहीं ज्वाइन करते हैं तो फिर ये इन बताती हूँ मैं आज. इसके बाद कल तो मुझे प्रॉपर टर्मिनेशन लेटर देना है, फॉर श्योर है. अब मैं नहीं रुकूंगी, सिंपल सी बात है. ये कोई तरीका नहीं
Okay,
होता
ma'am.
विदाउट एनी परमिशन यू आर लीविंग द ग्रुप. Okay, so guys, these 13 points are clear to your mind, or still you are lacking somewhere in the points?
No, ma'am.
Anyone?
Clear.
Okay, किसी को प्रॉब्लम आई है पॉइंट्स में? किसी को भी प्लीज बताओ मुझे. Anyone? मैं फिर से एक्सप्लेन कर दूंगी. स्पीक अप गाइस, इतनी देर से यही चीज बोल रही हूँ.
No, ma'am.
Speak
From
up.
my side, no problem, ma'am.
Okay,
All you
thank
here,
you
ma'am.
ma'am. Okay, right sir.
No
Next.
problem, ma'am.
ओके दीक्षा मैम, नेक्स्ट. मैं आगे बढ़ूंगी नहीं आज, मैं आगे बढ़ूंगी नहीं आज जब तक मुझे पूरे 17.
No problem, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
No
ओके
problem,
मैम.
ma'am.
स्नेहा मैम, ओके मैम. नेक्स्ट.
Understood, ma'am.
ओके
No
ओके.
problem, ma'am.
निकोल मैम. ओके पंकज सर.
No problem.
नेक्स्ट.
Sakshi ma'am.
Yes,
जी.
ma'am.
Ma'am, Gaurav sir has informed about his classes to you.
इन्फॉर्म्ड.
Yes, ma'am. So I think he wants to join. Okay, he's in now.
मैम let him in because his classes were running behind like
नो मैम, एक्चुअली जब स्क्रीन प्रेजेंट होता है ना तो वहाँ दिखता नहीं है कि किसको एडमिट करना है
अच्छा
करके,
ओके मैम.
इन करना
Okay,
है ऐसा.
ठीक है मैम. ओके कॉर्स सर को ले लीजिए मैम. थैंक यू मैम.
हो गया मैम, आ
guys-
गया है।
ठीक है, थैंक यू मैम. Okay, so guys, now we're starting with the PPT, PowerPoint presentation activity.
Yes, ma'am.
So basically here you have to present your PPT. You will share your screen. आप अपना स्क्रीन शेयर करो. कैसे करते हैं मैं बताती हूँ आप लोगों को. पूरा 1 by 1 स्टेप सिखाऊंगी. ठीक है, कैसे करना है, कैसे बोलना है, कैसे क्या करना है, मैं सब सिखाऊंगी. उसके बाद आप लोग करेंगे परफॉर्म एक्टिविटी. ठीक है, ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट. ओके, सो दिस इज योर गूगल मीट. दिस इज योर गूगल मीट. गूगल मीट ओपन करना सब लोग को आता है. ऑल नो हाउ टू ओपन गूगल मीट and how to use it. Everyone know it. Now how to use these things that I will tell you. So if you want to if anyone say you have to share the screen. So how will you do? There's a 3 options available inside of the screen. Can you see that?
Yes, ma'am.
Beside recording option, there's screen. Click on that option. Don't you please, you people don't click the option. Okay, I'll click because only one screen can be shared at the one time. So like 3 dot pe humne click kara. There are options like in call messages, share screen, turn on caption, report a problem, report abuse settings. Click on share screen. Okay, now it will ask you, people will everything on the screen including notifications. Start sharing. Okay, now start now. Now you can see the screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I'll show you how the screen share works. Now we will, like, if I want to show you something, I'll go back. You can see my desk tab front page of the phone.
Yes, ma'am.
So these are my icons which I okay. Now this is my visiting card. Can you see it, guys?
Your voice is not audible.
I'm saying, can you see this visiting card of mine on the screen?
Yes,
ma'am. Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So this is the way you will show to people. Okay. Now if you want to, अगर तुम्हें आगे बढ़ना है तो do like this, 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 do like this. Okay. Now if I want to get back, I'll get back to this. Then I'll show. Then I will click to stop sharing. Okay. First stop sharing. Okay. And then I'll get back to my page. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, one by one, you will show me your PPTs and you will explain the PPTs in front of me, everyone. Okay, no one will speak in Hindi today because today is the time when you have to be more, start becoming confident in your own life. Okay, so no one will speak in Hindi. Everyone will speak in English. चाहे टूटी फूटी इंग्लिश हो मगर आप लोग बोलेंगे. यहाँ पर कोई किसी का मजाक नहीं बनाएगा. If I found anyone smiling or writing anything on chat box, I will get him out of this meeting today only because I don't want that others get demotivated because of those things. Okay, so let's start with my favorite and the most excellent intern until now, learner of the week, Miss. What's the name? Actually, I forgot your name. Shraddha ma'am?
Yes,
Sanuba
ma'am.
ma'am,
Sanuba ma'am.
Sanuba, wow, lady, good. Sanuba ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Good evening to everyone. Thank you.
I like you because not because you have a beautiful face, but I like you because you're attentive. You're holding that card. I told you, you're holding that card every day. And for that, today I want to give you one thing because it is really required.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Very good.
Thanks a
Very
lot.
So now you can share your screen, ma'am, and go with the PPT.
Yeah.
All the best.
Sure, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Start with your PPT with your introduction. Okay?
Yes.
Then point and then explanation. Explain
Okay.
only 3 points. Only 3 points. Only because we
Yes.
want others also. Okay?
Okay. Yeah. Sure.
All the best.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay. So I hope that everyone is seeing my screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank
It's
you.
visible.
Just a second, ma'am. So yes, good evening to everyone. My name is Sanoba, and today I will be going to explain you all. And I had prepared one PPT which is based on the personality developments. So here we will be going to conduct and I will be telling you about that what are the 13 tips for the personality development and how we can improve it and overcome it. So I will be just proceeding it further. So first point is know you are incomparable. Okay. So it means that in other terms we can say it is very unique. Okay, the unique person you are talking about. So as a unique, what are the best things that you choose in your life, that you want in your life, and that you love in your life? So I think the meaning of this sentence is that do not compare yourself with others. Okay, so suppose if I am taking the example, if anyone is perfect in singing, dancing, or sketching, so don't try to do that. Okay, just go ahead with your interest, with your hobbies, whatever the things that you love and like. So I hope that everyone is clear with this point. Hello?
Clear, ma'am. Guys, acknowledge her because she was not knowing whether we are writing messages or not.
Yes,
She's
ma'am.
sharing the screen, so everyone acknowledge.
So the next thing is like be kind to yourself. Okay, so always we are seeing in this generation that always we are judging others. Okay, that these are their weakness, these are their strengths. So why if they are having some kind of a strength? Okay, suppose if they are very active, suppose if they are having very good listening skills, if they are having good communication, so we always judge themselves. Okay, not ourselves. Why is it so? I think this should be not happen. Okay, because if we judge ourselves, if we are perfect in anything, okay, so just go ahead with that. Suppose if I can say that if I am good at communication, okay, and suppose if I am not having that kind of stage staring, so I think that I should practice in front of my mirror. Then apart from that, I can read newspapers daily. I can just speak with my family members in English, so that my communication should be perfect. Okay, as in the last sentence it is already mentioned that our elders always taught us that be kind to yourself. Okay, means suppose if we are committing any kind of mistakes, okay, so always we are ignoring that thing. So I think it should not be happen, because what are the things, because if we are accepting that mistake, okay, so we can just move on in your life. So this is my second point. So going forward, the next point is like give space to imperfection. So imperfection means what? Imperfection is one kind of a weakness. Okay, so do not consider yourself that you are weak in that particular thing. You are weak in that particular like a particular subject or something like that. Okay, so if you make your mind and heart truthfully that if you want to just go ahead with that particular thing, so that weakness we can convert it into strengths. So just be trying and just be positive in every situation, because every time situation is not similar, as well as people are not similar. So this is my third point. The next point is like be spontaneous. We can define this thing as quickly or suddenly. Okay, suppose if suppose by mistakes, like if any kind of accident is happening in front of me, okay, so I will not see that, okay, I just have to take the videos or the photos or something like that, okay, and I will post on social media. No, it's not the normal thing. Okay, so we can just do one thing. We can be spontaneous. Okay, at that particular moment we can just go ahead and help that particular person to just come to just recover from whatever the situation that he is facing, or I can just do one thing. I can just take him or her to the hospital and just recover that person with the help of doctor. The next point is like be like.
Sanoba ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Get back. Stop sharing your screen, ma'am.
Okay, sure.
Yeah. First of all, the way you have explained with the gestures and all this stuff, for that, ये तो बनता है.
Thank you.
See, जब first से तुम आई थी, तब तुम ऐसे थी, और तुम्हारी आंखें ऐसी थी, और तब तुम बोल रही थी, और आज तुम ऐसे करके, वाओ यार, very good.
It's all because of you all, man. Seriously, it's all because of you.
Proud of you, like actions use हो रहे हैं, आंखें contact हो रहा है, वाओ यार.
Thank you.
Good. Okay, Sana ma'am, you have explained really very well, and that example was very good. That whenever you see a person instead of clicking photos of the particular
Yes.
injured person, we should always very good, very good.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Sana ma'am, really appreciate it. Really
Thank,
appreciate.
thanks a lot from the bottom
Well
of my heart.
done, best intern. That's why I always write your name with intern with best intern because you are performing day by day. So much improvement I can see in yourself. The one who always used to, ma'am, yes, ma'am. The eyes are like, and today she's doing so confidently. That ये feel
Yes.
good यार. As a mentor इतना अच्छा लगता है बच्चे इतना improve करते हैं बहुत अच्छा लगता है seriously.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Very cool, very good. Okay,
Thanks.
so next we have who can be next? Diksha ma'am. Diksha ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'm just sharing the
Share
screen. 1
your
minute.
screen, ma'am. Yeah, and you also do well. Okay, I trust you also. Don't let me down.
Yes, ma'am.
All the best to go through it.
Yes, ma'am.
Diksha ma'am, explain only 2 points. Okay, any 2 points. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Is it visible?
No, get back. You have came to the Google Meet page. Yeah,
Okay.
visible now.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. So, okay, so third point is over, right? I need to start from be spontaneous. Okay.
We have ended be spontaneous. You start with this point. In mind and wala point. Light in mind and heart. So
Okay.
start karo. Yeah.
Okay. So, first of all, my name is Diksha Singh Thakur, and I'm studying MBA Finance right now. So, starting with my PPT, my point is first is be light in mind and heart. So, I would say that one should stay calm in any situation. Like if any situation comes, and if you get anxiety or something, so in that situation, one should just take deep breath and then start thinking something, and then one should do something because uh, now or either now or after some time everything will fall in place. But if you get overstressed, you will definitely ruin that situation and ruin that thing, like whatever you are going to do right now. So do not overstress yourself. It will only stop your mind from thinking practically. And also do not overburden your mind and heart with negative thoughts. I mean, stay positive in any situation. So my next point is be enthusiastic. So as I mentioned there, your enthusiasm shows how much you are excited about doing certain things. And also, if you're enthusiastic, enthusiasm is contagious. It not only excites you, also it excites the people in your surrounding. If you are excited, it makes other also excited to do the thing. Next point is be a better communicator. So I have like pointed out few things which I feel that it is important. Is first, as yesterday someone mentioned that to be a better communicator, the most important thing is that one should learn to listen. Then the next thing is pay attention to your body language. Whenever you are communicating something and your body language doesn't shows that what and your body language doesn't shows what you're speaking, then it doesn't make sense. Like your body language and your words should be aligned. The next point is observe how
Then
others
Diksha ma'am, stop
communicate.
sharing screen. Stop sharing screen. Back, come back.
Okay, ma'am.
Very good.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Explained well. And the best part I found in your PPT is it is very much creative. Points are so much, distinct. Like there's a difference between one point and one. There's a distinguish between one word and like, it is easily visible that you have put a lot of efforts into it. The pictures, the highlighted, and the background texture, all those stuff. Amazing. This is called hard work. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
And
Thank you
explanation
so much.
also. It's very good explanation you have provided. Plus the efforts we can see through the PPT, how much efforts you have took and took time to make that. So share this PPT to me. I just want to highlight to my peoples so that they can
Sure,
get
ma'am.
some
Thanks.
thousands. Okay, take it.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
so
Sure.
next,
Ma'am, we
very
can
good.
have
Keep it up,
Diksha
Diksha.
ma'am's PPT for our next batch.
Yeah, batch 2, we will collect these PPTs only. Na? From these PPTs only, we will conduct the next batches, ma'am, for sure.
Yes, of course, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. This one is the PDF. I'll share the PPT.
Okay, 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 ठीक है, ठीक है.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
next I wanted Pragya ma'am. Pragya ma'am, जरा आपकी तकलीफें आज मैं दूर करती हूँ. जल्दी आइए जरा आप स्क्रीन पे.
Yes, ma'am.
शेयर स्क्रीन करिए. मैं करती हूँ आपकी शेयर स्क्रीन. रुकिए, आपके पास वो नहीं था ना. प्रज्ञा मैम,
Yes, ma'am.
आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही.
Yes, ma'am. Hello.
हाँ, मैं आपकी शेयर स्क्रीन कर रही हूँ. आप पीपीटी एक्सप्लेन करना, ठीक है?
ठीक है, ma'am.
प्रज्ञा मैम, जरूर पीपीटी फिर से शेयर करना. मुझे वो डिलीट हो गई मेरे से यार.
Okay, ma'am. Wait.
मुझे शेयर करिए जरा व्हाट्सएप पे. मैं शेयर करती हूँ स्क्रीन.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, वेट. मेरी स्क्रीन विजिबल है?
Yes, ma'am.
So here is the PPT of Pragya ma'am. And Pragya ma'am, explain this वाला point. ये वाला point, stay enthusiastic वाला point explain करो जरा. नहीं, be warm and approachable वाला point. 8 point explain करिए मैम. Be warm and approachable वाला.
Okay. Be one and approachable.
हाँ.
We love these people who can easily merge with us. That means that means I have to मतलब कि हम जिन लोगों के साथ अच्छे से मिल सकते हैं और जो हमसे अच्छे से मिल सकते हैं उनके साथ हमें अच्छे से मतलब हमारा रिलेशन
प्रज्ञा मैम,
रखना चाहिए.
प्रज्ञा मैम, आपका स्क्रीन ओपन हो पा रहा है क्या? आप मुझे अपना वीडियो ऑन करोगे क्या? 1 मिनट.
ओके, वेट.
थैंक यू मैम. देखिए, आप हिंदी समझते हो मैम?
हाँ.
एक कविता है और वो कविता इतनी प्यारी है और मुझे इतना मोटिवेट करती है मैम कि मैं चाहती हूँ वो कविता आज आपको मोटिवेट करे. जो आपने मुझे बोला था कि मैम मुझे इंग्लिश मैं लिख लेती हूँ मगर मैं बोल नहीं पाती, तो वो कविता उसी चीज के लिए है मैम. शायद आपको थोड़ा कॉन्फिडेंस मिलेगा और आप उसके बाद इन पॉइंट्स को अपने मन से, अपने दिल से एक्सप्लेन कर पाओ. लहरों से डरकर नौका पार नहीं होती. लहरों से डरकर नौका पार नहीं होती. कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. नन्ही चींटी जब दाना लेकर चढ़ती है, चढ़ती दीवारों पर 100 बार फिसलती है. मन का आपा रगों में साहस भरता है. चढ़कर गिरना गिरकर चढ़ना कभी नहीं अकड़ता है. आखिर उसकी मेहनत बेकार नहीं होती. कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. डुबकिया सिंधु में गोताखोर लगाता है. जा जाकर खाली हाथ लौट कर आता है. मिलते नहीं सहज ही मोती गहरे पानी में. मिलते नहीं सहज ही मोती गहरे पानी में. बढ़ता उत्साह इसी हैरानी में. आखिर उसकी मेहनत बेकार नहीं होती. कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. जिंदगी एक चुनौती है, इसे स्वीकार करो. असफलता एक चुनौती है, इसे स्वीकार कर लो. क्या कमी रह गई है देखो और सुधार कर लो. कुछ किए बिना ही जय जयकार नहीं होती. कुछ किए बिना ही जय जयकार नहीं होती. कोशिश करने वालों की कभी 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 हार नहीं होती. कभी हार नहीं होती. अगर आज मैंने ठान लिया कि मुझे 2 पॉइंट अपने मर्जी से अपने मन से एक्सप्लेन करना है, तो किसी की भी औकात नहीं है कि वो 2 पॉइंट्स मुझे बोलने से कोई रोक दे। किसी की हिम्मत नहीं है कि 2 पॉइंट मांगे मुझ पे हंस दे। किसी की हिम्मत नहीं है कि 2 पॉइंट मांगे मुझे पोक कर दे कि तू ऐसा कैसा बोल रही है। बट हिम्मत है तो मेरे दिल की, मेरे जज्बात की और मेरे अंदर की शक्ति की, जो लड़कियों को भगवान से खुद मिलती है। और उस शक्ति के आगे किसी भी दुश्मन को डर लगता है और वो सामना नहीं कर सकता। तो अगर वो शिव शक्ति है ना, अगर अंदर, या नारी शक्ति भी अंदर अवेलेबल है ना, तो उसको यूज करके उन 2 पॉइंट्स को अपनी मर्जी से, अपने अंदर से एक बार आंखें बंद करके सोचो मुझे क्या बोलना है। जो दिल से पहले आवाज निकले वो तुम बोल दो। आज मैं उसी आवाज को सुनना चाहती हूँ और तुम्हारे पास एग्जाम चाहती हूँ खड़े होकर। अगर तुम ये कर सकती हो मेरे लिए तो करो। मैं तुम्हारी फिर से स्क्रीन शेयर कर रही हूँ, ठीक है? हाँ बोलिए।
ठीक है मैम, मैं
पहला पॉइंट था,
वो
हाँ
मैम मैं अपने नोटबुक पे लिखी हूँ, तो मैं वो बोल सकती हूँ।
ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है।
ठीक है मैम।
ऑल द बेस्ट। दिल से सुनना, दिमाग से सुनना, समझी?
थैंक यू मैम। Okay, first point is we love these people who can easily merge with us. मतलब कि जो लोग जिनके साथ हम मिलते हैं या उनके साथ बात करते हैं कि पहली बार मिले हैं या कुछ भी, तो उनके साथ हम इसीलिए इजीली मतलब मिल पाते हैं, या कुछ उनके साथ अपना मतलब अंदर का कुछ दुख हो या सुख हो कुछ भी ऐसे शेयर कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि वो भी हमारे साथ उतनी ही मतलब अच्छे से कम्युनिकेट करते हैं जितना हम करते हैं उनके साथ, कि हमें वो फील होता है कि वो अच्छे से हमारे साथ मिल पाते हैं। वो पहला पॉइंट था मेरी। और दूसरी पॉइंट था कि शो बी फ्रेंडली एंड बी रेडी टू शेयर एंड हेल्प। मतलब कि वो हमारे साथ इतने अच्छे से मिल जाते हैं कि उनके साथ मतलब हम जब मतलब बैठते हैं या कुछ बोलते हैं या कुछ उनके साथ कुछ शेयर करते हैं, तो जब मतलब उनको हेल्प चाहिए होती है या हमें हेल्प चाहिए होती है या कुछ शेयर करना होता है, तो वो अच्छे से हमारे साथ कर पाते हैं और हम उनके साथ उतनी फ्रेंडली मतलब उनका हेल्प कर पाते हैं। ये थी मेरी दूसरी पॉइंट। थैंक यू मैम। थैंक यू मैम। थैंक यू सो मच। थैंक यू सो मच मैम।
गुड गुड। देखो, तुमने क्या बोला था कि मैम मैं बोल नहीं सकती हूँ, मुझे आता सब है, मैं निकाल नहीं पाती। तुम तो अच्छा खासा बोल ली यार। तुम क्या चाहती हो,
मैम
प्राइम मिनिस्टर
मतलब
बनूंगी?
नहीं, मतलब मैम जब मैं इंग्लिश में बोलती हूँ ना तो तब थोड़ा दिक्कत होती है मुझे, क्योंकि
वो भी हो जाएगा। वो भी क्लास के साथ होते होते ना, अभी 10-15 दिन और है हमारे साथ, तुम्हारे साथ हमारे। उस टाइम पे आपकी जितनी प्रॉब्लम है वो भी सॉल्व मैं कर दूंगी।
ठीक है मैम।
इतना
थैंक यू
विश्वास
मैम।
मुझ पर रख लो।
ठीक है मैम।
ओके, देखिए निकोल मैम और सिद्धि मैम की, अभी सिद्धि मैम कह रही हूँ,
Can I
स्नेहा
go?
मैम की प्रेजेंटेशन है।
Ma'am,
हाँ
can I go?
मैम, मैम, हाँ मैम, आप निकोल मैम की बात ले लेंगे, उनकी क्लासेस एक्चुअली उन लोग को लीव करना है मैम।
Yeah, okay, ma'am. No issues.
आज तो आप बड़े सुंदर लग रहे हो, पिंक पिंक। आज कैसे, आज इतने सुंदर कैसे लग रहे हो? हाँ मैम, ब्यूटीफुल कैसे? एक्चुअली मुझे मन करता है सूट देख कर ना कि मैं भी सूट पहनूं, मगर मुझसे सूट हैंडल होता नहीं है। मैं सोचू यही सही है, फॉर्मल कपड़े। चलो चलो, निकोल मैम, चलिए मैम आप
Good
आ
evening,
जाइए। आप
ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
गुड इवनिंग, कैसे हो? ठीक हो
Sorry, ma'am.
मैम? आर यू फाइन? ठीक हो?
Yes, ma'am. I'm doing
ओके
good. How are you, ma'am?
ओके मैम, निकोल मैम, मैम आई एम आल्सो फाइन एंड डूइंग वेल मैम। So ma'am, please share the screen and explain any 2 points, ma'am. Any 2 points of your choice.
Ma'am, is my screen visible?
Visible, visible, visible. Oh,
Ma'am,
oh, oh. Good. Amazing. Wow.
ma'am, so I'll explain this point, ma'am. No, you are
Yeah.
incomparable. So we know that we always heard this phrase called never compare an apple to an orange. It is a true fact, because we should not compare ourselves to another person. Maybe we might have qualities in which they might not have. So like suppose if I'm good at singing, maybe my friend may be good at dancing. So it's like, and we should not be we should be thankful for that. We should be thankful for what we have. So maybe maybe someone else might be good in drawing, maybe I might be good in writing. So in that way we should not compare ourselves to others. And being unique is one of the best it is one of the best quality a person can have. Then again, so be a better communicator. So I always believe that being a better communicator will give another person like what we are trying to convey the message. So it is important that we have a good communication skill, because it plays a crucial role in one's personality. And in order for the other person to understand what we are saying, or if we expect other person to get the answer that we are looking for, we need to be a good communicator. This is the second point, ma'am. Ma'am, I'll go through the next slides, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Get back, ma'am. Get back to main screen. Google
Okay.
Meet screen. PPT, and I want your PPT also. Okay, share to me on the WhatsApp. Okay, so Nicole, ma'am. First of all, I'll tell you what mistake you have made. That is, first, always whenever you are sharing a PPT, beta, always introduce yourself to people, because we know who you are, right? But
Yes,
others will not know. So explain that. Okay. Rest, the PPT creativity is like amazing. The pictures are like quite attractive, and it's looking very decent and formal PPT actually, which we can use for office works and all those stuff. So it was like that, amazing. So and explanation was quite good. Example was quite best implemented in the statement.
Thank
Very
you,
good.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Keep it up, beta. Keep it up, and always stay positive. I can feel that positivity now from the first day till now. You are like becoming more chillax and relaxed person, which I want that you should be, and
Yes,
you are
ma'am.
becoming like that. And
Yes,
being a
ma'am.
mentor really feels proud for me that my kids are growing so good in their fields. In their like the first day, everyone was feeling so shy, nervous. Everyone was not opening the cameras, like feeling very. It happens when we meet people. It happens that we feel shy, but as soon as we get attracted to people, or like we feel a communication of heart, everything gets its solutions. So very well, Nicole ma'am. Very
Thank you,
well.
ma'am.
Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good. So now Sneha ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Sneha ma'am, explain your PPT. Any points.
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute.
All the best.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you.
Screen visible?
Visible, visible.
Okay.
Sneha ma'am, right? Dinu sir.
Yes.
मैम वॉइस इको हो रही है मैम।
Ma'am. Okay. Is it okay now?
Yes, visible.
Nice. Now. Okay, good evening everyone. My name is myself Sneha Satan Kumar and I am from Team Money Partners. Now I will present 2 points for or tips for good personality. First point I will choose be kind to imperfections. Sorry. Sorry, ma'am. Okay,
Yes,
actually,
ma'am.
it's not
बताइए.
working. Okay, first point is give space to imperfection. Okay, as of human nature, no one is perfect. As we all know, everyone have some imperfections or everyone do mistakes. So believe or keep in mind that no one is perfect and we are all humans. Then be real, not perfect. Try to be perfect, but don't act like a perfect. Okay, so be real in your behavior, real in your attitudes and all, and then only God can be perfect. So don't worry, if any mistake happens we can correct it or don't repeat it. Okay, one thing of human nature is we also every humans make mistakes, but one thing we have to keep in mind or noted that uh, first mistake is a mistake, but if we repeat that mistake again, it will be the real mistake. So correct the mistakes after it and make it perfect. So this is the point, give space to your imperfections. And next point, I will be explaining. Mm, okay, be a better communicator. Be a better communicator. We have to every day and every moment we will be communicating to each other. So in every beautiful conversation there is a communicator are there. So try to convey good messages, and a good communication will be convey the same sense of messages and same sense of communication. And be polite in your communication. When you communicate with others, be polite. Don't be harsh, or don't be angry with them. If you are polite and if you are pleasant, others will be interested to be communicate with you. So that's only what my point. Thank you for this opportunity to present. Thank you all. Ma'am? Hello?
Yes, ma'am. Neha ma'am, once you mute yourself, then only the Sakshi ma'am will. Yes, exactly. Thank you so much. So, ma'am, as I already wrote a compliment for you in the chat box, you can check that. Your PPT was very good. Your presentation was very good, and the way you explain things now, it's very much like formal and very good. That's like it's very clean and calm to hear you. That's very good, ma'am. And yes, you are getting
Thank you.
other compliments too.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I have to add one more thing. After coming to CD and after taking all my presentations, I have improved my presentation skills here.
That's really great to hear, ma'am. Like we are working and our hard work is giving results to you all. That's the best thing that we can hear. Okay, so Nicole
Okay,
ma'am
so
and
that
Sneha
ma'am,
ma'am.
Sneha ma'am, hi, Sneha ma'am, Nicole ma'am, you can leave the meet and we'll meet you tomorrow.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you all.
Thank you. Bye. Good night.
Thank you so much,
Take care.
ma'am.
Yes, Shrikala ma'am, you can start with the PPT ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Sri Lekha, ma'am.
Sri Lekha. Okay, I used to call you something else. What I used to call you?
Topper.
Topper.
Topper?
Used to call me Topper.
Yeah. So tomorrow onwards, no Sri Lekha ma'am. From tomorrow, Topper ma'am.
Yeah, okay, ma'am. Like for sharing the PPT, I have login from two devices.
That's why I can see. That's why you are wearing good clothes today. So that you can first in the screen you can show yourself, and then other screen you can show your PPT, right? With
Yes.
chunni and all that. So, so that we can give you good compliments for your dress, right, man? That's why you're joining with two
No,
documents.
ma'am. I wore this actually in
You are
before.
like Shraddha ma'am. Shraddha wants to do with these things only. One screen she used to like get herself, and the other screen her PPT.
Yes, ma'am. Sharing.
But I will see you. I'll not see the PPT. The people who are dieting never diet, people, because you always miss your favorite food, and you have to live on water for 24 hours.
Ma'am is like
So
still
never do
visible.
dieting. Actually, I didn't saw the screen, ma'am. Wait. No, ma'am. It's not visible, ma'am.
Maybe some problem.
Don't feel sad. You can do one. चला गया यार. Don't feel sad. Just close the screen. We will see you afterwards. Just first show your PPT, ma'am.
No, ma'am. It's not sharing. I don't know why.
The one you're connected with this now, show this screen, ma'am. Show with this, that the one you are representing yourself. Show the screen. Close yourself, share screen from the phone.
Yeah. Okay, ma'am.
We will see you after the meeting for sure. For 5 minutes, I will watch you like this.
Yeah. Okay.
See, there's a quotation written into it. That's why I used to drink water a lot. Every day is a new beginning. So these things always make me positive. Guys, always buy these things and that make you feel positive all the whole day. That's why I always buy things with quotations.
मैम इतना पानी पीने से मतलब लू नहीं लग
नहीं, पानी बहुत जरूरी है भाई. हाइड्रेटेड रहो, बॉडी को हाइड्रेटेड रखो. वरना मेरे तरह सिचुएशन हो जाएगी तुम्हारी, कुछ तुम खा नहीं सकते, कुछ कुरकुरे नहीं चबा सकते, मंचिंग नहीं कर सकते। हाँ विजिबल है मैम, अब तो मैम आज तो मैम आपको अच्छे से करना है मैम, बिल्कुल एक्शन के साथ, क्योंकि अब हम आपको देख स्क्रीन भी देख पा रहे हैं, आपको भी देख पा रहे हैं, तो आपको नहीं चलेगा कि आप बैठ के सिर्फ देखो, आज आप एक्शन भी करोगे साथ में। अरे वाह, अरे पंछी आया, उड़ के चला गया।
Yes, ma'am. It is personality development, so I have included in it.
There comes a crow that comes to our screen and then it went away.
Yes, ma'am. So,
Good, good.
yeah, well, ma'am. So, good evening, ma'am. Good evening, one and all. I'm Srilekha. I have completed my graduation from Siddhartha Degree College. At present, I'm pursuing my MBA first year from Malareddy Engineering College for Women. So, today, my topic is about 13 tips for personality development. So, for that, I have included what is personality and what is personality development. So, personality, as everyone know, it is defined as the personal qualities, characteristics of an individual. And what is personality development? It is a process of developing oneself, and personality development helps the individual to gain confidence and high self-esteem. And these are my 13 tips which I have prepared with one quotation for every tip. And so I want to go with first one, fifth one: be light in mind and heart. Yes, ma'am. I want to go with be light in mind and heart. Overthinking kills. We should not hold everything in mind and heart. Sometimes we need to let go and let happen what we can't hold. I always believe that overthinking, it has no medicine. It has no medicine at all. Overthinking. So what all we can do, like. The things we can't control, we shouldn't hold them. See, I always believe the creator who created us always has a reason for it. So whatever happens for a reason. We should not, what all we can do, stay calm, and we must hope for the best. Hoping for the best is always the best solution you can ever get in any kind of situation. Sorry. So some people be like, if they face any kind of situation, they hold it tight. Sometimes it leads to mental disorders also. Like if they get, see, I have one of my best friend, like who has failed in an exam. She couldn't take it well, and what she have done, she was about to self suicide herself. So I said that, like, if you fail in studies, if you're not good at it, you make good at other things, right? Like as my friend Nicole said, if you're not good at singing, you can good at be at dancing. In the same way, like if you're not good at one thing, you can be good at, and as whatever happens for a reason. Don't stress on what you can't control. I never stress. I'll be tensed actually. I'm trying to overcome it present. And the next one is, I want to go with the point. Sorry, I need to move my screen. Be warm and approachable. So we need to be kind to others, that everyone must feel free to come to ourselves, even in our sadness as well as in happiness. So I'll say, like, everyone are very familiar with their mothers, and like see, in one word, if we can, anyone ask that, describe your mother, they'll say that my mother is a great mother, my mother is a good mother. So what makes, so every mother is a good mother. So what makes difference from a good mother to great mother is that, if anyone faces a problem, if any child face a problem, a good mother be like, if you are doing problem, I'll definitely kill you. So what differs from a good mother to great mother? If a child faces a problem, he should think that first I have to run to my mom and say this problem. So that makes a mother from good mother to great mother. And not only the mother, even the persons, like even our friends, even our family, everything. So not only with others, even our family also, we must be very much approachable. There will be few people that they can't approach so soonly because of the situations what they face. But I always feel it all lies in the way of expressing. So be good and do good for the others. Thank you.
Come on, Garau. Come on. Hold this. Come on. Hold this. Very good.
Thank
This is
you,
for
ma'am.
you. This is for you. Actually, I just won this gold medal when I was in my college time, and this is my first gold medal. And this I'm giving to you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. It really inspires me a lot, and
I will,
I'm very
I will add this picture on the group, WhatsApp group, and I'll tag you in this.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Because, this gold medal contains a lot of feelings and emotions connected to me. And now the same feeling and emotions I'm transferring to you as a gesture of love. You deserve this. Congratulations. I cannot come this, so I'm just holding this on the phone like that.
Thank you so much.
And yeah, I'm giving here. And
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Congratulations, you achieved the first letter of success. I must say.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Actually, this is
PPT,
my first.
the presentation and the points which I was thinking that one will bring. The quotations, the main quotations were highlighted in every point. Amazing. That's what I was thinking, that one person will come with that, but no one. But you,
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Shraddha ma'am, is it right or wrong?
You are absolutely right, ma'am. It was very, very, very good to listen to her. The way she explained it was very good.
Transactions were there, PPT creativity was there, quotations
Yes,
were
ma'am.
there, explanation were there, gestures were there, and the most important, the way she performed, the dressing sense she was carrying, everything she was perfect. Now she's ready to crack the business interview, right, Shraddha ma'am? She's
Yes,
ready.
of course, ma'am.
You know, the clothes
Ma'am,
also
we
matter
are
now.
like all the words that couldn't that are not sufficient to inspire us. All these things that was like watching in the presentation today, that's really inspiring to see all these things.
Amazing.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Welcome, and keep the spirit high.
Yes,
Okay?
ma'am. And I really feel very blessed to get into it, ma'am, because before I'm not aware of all these things, and this is my first ever training program besides of my college works and things, and I really feel great for it. That my first step is starting with two Shaktis like you. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Shraddha ma'am, as time is already above 7:03, so we'll take the next PPTs tomorrow.
Okay, ma'am. We can do that.
Yeah, hai na? Because sir all told we cannot take class after 7, right, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
So according to the code of conduct, we have to follow that at any cost, ma'am. Okay? So rest people who are left for today, we will conduct the class tomorrow. So be prepared with the PPTs. And tomorrow, let's see who will bring the best PPT. So if you really want this, again, anyone else, definitely be prepared for that. Because I cannot give you, I can, like, it's lockdown situation, I cannot give you and hang on your, hair, like in the neck. But yeah, this is my gesture I'm providing you and tag you in my WhatsApp group. Okay? So tomorrow,
Yes,
guys,
ma'am.
we'll meet tomorrow again. Shraddha ma'am, you want to speak something, ma'am? Over to you.
Okay, so we are done with the today's class. So you all can leave. Be present tomorrow also, and I've already wrote all the important highlights that you must take into mind. So be very, very, very sure for that. Okay, and thank you so much for joining. I already had the attendance screenshot of you all who have attended the meet. Now you all can leave. Thank you so much.
Okay,
Thank you so
Siddhi
much, ma'am.
ma'am, please stop